Welcome to TEDA Mine. TEDA Mine is a global digital currency cloud mining investment company, offering a potentially cost-effective way to mine Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. Whether it is quantitative trading or DeFi technology, you can easily participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. At present, there are 180 TRX mining farms in the world, with more than 3 million mining machines, the world's leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem TRX, with users all over the world, providing the most stable, long-term and efficient income. First, log into the website, www.tedamine.com. Enter the registration interface, and enter account name, login password and fund password. You must enter the invitation code to register successfully. Then click Register. After entering the app, the latest announcement will appear first. You can click Next to read the announcement. Then click Close to close the announcement. In TEDA Mine, you will get free rewards. Click here to select multiple languages. Here is to display your total balance. Click to switch to TRX and USDT. Here's the rolling play platform announcement. Here is the common problem. Click on the official announcement. There are specific announcements of the platform. Click User Problem. There are answers to some frequently encountered problems by users. Click on the Telegram channel, which has the specific channel address. Here are the advantages of the platform, using cloud mining and DeFi technology. Here you can see the accumulated revenue of the platform, and the number of members. Here is About Us. Here is About Us. Below is the global partner. How to make money on the platform. First of all, we need to recharge the account. Click Deposit. There are two kinds of basic account and promotion account. With the blue basic account, it is to recharge the basic account. The account can be recharged TRX and USDT. Then click Copy Address to the digital currency wallet. Click the corresponding currency. Click Send. Paste the address. Enter the amount to be recharged. Click Next. Click Next. Enter the password. Click Confirm. And then return to the recharge interface. Be sure to click Recharge Completed, so that the recharge can be successful. The same is true for topping up a promotional account. After the basic account is recharged, the platform automatically allocates user funds to miners for mining. Click Trading to view the daily mining income. Click View All below. And click Received to get the mining income. We must log in every day to receive mining earnings and actively withdraw earnings. Otherwise, the next natural day will no longer generate income. Mining starts with a minimum of 5 TRX and a minimum of 10 USDT for mining. See the grade system on the left for specific grades. USDT and TRX are both at the same level. The promotion account is successfully recharged. You can regularly invest in commodities on the platform. Click Invest. You can choose products suitable for your investment, and different mining income will be generated in different periods. Click on the product. You can see the specific product content. Enter the security password. Click Participate in Investment, and you are done. Principal and profit can be withdrawn in one lump sum at the end of the cycle. For specific commodity investment ratios, see the text introduction on the left. How to withdraw. Click Withdrawal. You can choose the basic account and the promotion account to withdraw. You can also choose TRX and USDT. Enter the amount to be withdrawn. And your own wallet address. Copy wallet address. Added successfully. Enter the password, and click Submit. how to invite friends, get more money, click share, share your QR code, or send the invitation link to social media. As long as someone completes the registration and recharge to the basic account, an investment product through your invitation link, then your basic wallet can get 3%, 3.5%, 4%, 4.5%, 6%, 8% permanent income. Your promotion wallet, first level users can get 10% investment commission. Second level users can get 5% investment commission. And third level users 2% investment commission. The more links you share, the more users, the more income. Then you are at the top of the pyramid. Click Mine. This is the total balance of your account. Click Team. You can see your referrals and specific income. Click Profit List. You can see the daily income details. Click Transfer to Basic Account. You can transfer the promotion account funds to the basic account. Enter conversion amount. Enter password. Click Confirm. Click Change Password to modify account and fund passwords. Real and reliable TRX cloud mining and financial management. Obtained the Global Digital Currency Transaction Certification. www.tedamine.com